It is far more than just a small notebook. This is the most strictly protected item you have ever owned in your entire life. Welcome to the elite world of high-security printing technology, where every single millimeter of paper carries the immense weight of a sovereign nation's power. Held in your hand, it is a symbol of identity and freedom. But beneath the surface lies a complex masterpiece of engineering designed to be unhackable. Every security feature is a layer of trust, and from the fabric of the cover to the invisible data, it is built to withstand any forgery attempt. In the blink of an eye, your digital identity is verified. This journey explores how we craft the world's most secure travel document ever made. We begin our deep dive into the manufacturing process, where ancient craftsmanship meets 21st century digital security to create an impenetrable shield for travelers. This is the birthplace of the power ticket, a facility where secrets are guarded as closely as the gold reserves, and every detail is perfection. The emblem is not just ink, it is a mark of authority. Let us witness the transformation of raw materials into a global symbol of trust. The foundation of security starts within the very structure of the material. Passport paper is a unique blend of cotton and specialized chemical synthetic fibers. Embedded deep within the pulp are microscopic security fibers, and these tiny threads are invisible to the naked eye but glow brilliantly under ultraviolet light. During the formation process, multi-tone watermarks are created by varying the density of the fibers. This is not printed, it is part of the paper. When held to the light, these shadows and highlights reveal a depth that no photocopy or digital printer can ever hope to replicate accurately. A windowed security thread runs through the center, like a spine of steel, as it anchors the document's authenticity deep within the layers of fiber. This paper must last for a decade. It is engineered to resist chemicals, sweat, and extreme wear, while remaining a canvas for high-precision printing. Every square inch is inspected. Any flaw means the entire roll is destroyed, ensuring that only the most perfect material moves to the next stage. Now, the blank canvas meets the world of high-security ink. The printing process is about to begin, turning raw paper into a national treasure. Even the thread contains information. Micro-printing on the metallic strip adds another layer of defense that is impossible for counterfeiters to forge today. Specialized inks are formulated in secret. These optically variable inks shift colors depending on the angle of light, providing a clear visual check. The paper is now ready. It carries the DNA of security within its pulse, waiting for the intricate art of the master printers to follow. In the world of security, printing becomes a branch of mathematics. Rainbow printing creates smooth color transitions that no standard digital printer can reproduce. The intaglio process uses extreme pressure to transfer ink from deep grooves onto the paper. It creates a tactile relief that you can actually feel. Your fingertips are your first line of defense. That unique raised texture is a hallmark of genuine security printing, felt by officers worldwide. Look closer through a microscope. These gouache patterns are composed of endless interlocking lines, designed to be so complex they baffle any scanning software. The precision is measured in micrometers. A single hair's breadth of misalignment would result in a rejected document, maintaining the highest possible standards. What you see is only half the story. Under ultraviolet light, a hidden world of neon colors and secret symbols emerges to prove authenticity. Hidden within the lines are words. Microprinting serves as a silent witness, readable only with magnification, yet vital for stopping sophisticated fraudulent copies. Each sheet is a masterpiece of layering. Multiple printing techniques are combined on a single page, creating a multi-dimensional matrix of security features. The human eye and the machine work in harmony. Inspectors look for the crispness of the lines that only intaglio printing can provide. This ink doesn't just sit on top, and it is forced into the soul of the paper, and it is a permanent bond that resists alteration. With the printing complete, the physical document is ready for its digital heart. We move now to the clean room, where technology meets identity. This is the clean room, a sanctuary of silicon and precision. Here, the physical passport receives its digital soul, the biometric microchip. The heart of a modern e-passport is this tiny chip. It is an ultra-thin piece of silicon capable of storing and protecting your most personal data. A nearly invisible antenna surrounds the chip. This allows for contactless communication, enabling your passport to talk to border control computers wirelessly. Your biometric data including facial features and fingerprints, is encrypted using military-grade algorithms. Once locked, this data cannot be altered or forged. The chip is fused inside layers of high-strength polycarbonate. Heat and pressure melt these layers into a single solid block that cannot be delaminated. On the surface, a complex hologram dances in the light. These diffractive optical elements change color and shape, acting as a visual digital key. The E symbol is a global mark of trust. It tells every airport in the world that this document is a fortress of digital information. Behind the scenes, public key infrastructure ensures that only authorized governments can read the sensitive data hidden within the silicon chip's memory. Security is physical and digital. At the solid polycarbonate page is tamper evident. Any attempt to reach the chip will physically destroy the document structure. Every chip is tested. A digital handshake is performed to ensure the communication is flawless before it moves to the final personalization stage. The marriage of paper and silicon is complete. Now, the passport is ready to be named, transforming from a blank book into your personal identity. Forget traditional ink, and in the final stage, we use the power of light. The high-intensity lasers burn personal data directly into the core of the document. The laser reacts with carbon particles inside the polycarbonate layers. This creates a high-definition grayscale portrait that is literally part of the plastic itself. Because the information is inside the page, not on top, it is impossible to scrape off or change without leaving obvious permanent damage. Laser perforation creates the passport number as a series of tiny holes. When you hold it up, you can see the light shining through every page. The pages are then bound with security stitching. This special thread is composed of multiple colors and is virtually impossible to replicate or re-sew. Even the thread glows. If a single stitch is moved or tampered with, it becomes immediately visible to security officials under a simple ultraviolet lamp. Precision is maintained until the very last second. Each document is a unique digital and physical fingerprint, tailored specifically to its owner's biological data. The signature, the name, and the date of birth are all locked in. The light of the laser has turned a document into an unbreakable promise. This is the pinnacle of personalization, a fusion of identity and engineering that ensures you are who you say you are anywhere on this planet. Efficiency meets security on a massive scale. Thousands of passports are personalized every hour, yet each one is a completely unique security masterpiece. The manufacturing is done, but before it reaches your hands, it must face the ultimate test of endurance and extreme quality control trials. In the quality lab, the passport is tortured. It is exposed to corrosive chemicals to ensure the inks and materials never fade or peel away. It is folded and twisted thousands of times. A passport must survive a decade of travel from humid jungles to the frozen peaks of the world. Extreme heat and freezing cold are applied, and the bond between the polycarbonate and the paper must remain perfect regardless of the environment it faces. The true test happens at the border. A traveler hands over their document, and in a fraction of a second, the digital handshake is confirmed. Success. The technology works seamlessly, making the world feel smaller and more connected, while keeping our global borders safer than ever before. Every passport is a masterpiece of engineering and trust. It is a small book with a massive mission: to guard your freedom and identity. It is the journey of the power ticket, a blend of art and science that helps create a flatter, safer, and more open world for everyone. Next time you hold your passport, remember the journey it took to reach you. Safe travels into the future of high security technology.